my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing good. After my son's summer vacation, I found my home completely messed. Actually, it's not always easy to organize and arrange things with kids at home. Can you relate? ऊपर से if you need to shoot that too for your YouTube channel. But messy home doesn't give positive vibe and enthusiasm, and thus I accumulated energy and pushed myself and started rearranging and cleaning all the other corners one by one. Today, I will show you my fridge organization video. Deeply cleaned both inside and outside of the fridge and started organizing with whatever gadgets I have. You can clean the fridge with homemade cleaning solution like vinegar and dishwasher liquid and wipe out all the dirt once fortnightly to keep your fridge fresh and healthy. It's definitely tiring, but when I finished the task, it gave me immense pleasure. While arranging of the side cabinets, one idea came to my mind. Few months before, I purchased these small boxes. Why not use the upper part of the side door useful by sticking these small boxes in this empty place? No matter how big your fridge is, you will always run out of your storage space in Indian kitchen. Can you relate me, guys? So I kept the knickknacks and small weight capacity food packets in those pockets. I stick those pockets with double-sided tapes in the fridge inside doors. And yes, they exactly look like pockets, है ना? And remember to stick the tape throughout the body of the boxes. After some time, I stick double-sided tapes throughout the body of the back side of these pockets, and after using it for 2-3 weeks, now I figured out it really works. You can also try this hack if you are fixing this too. At least it will increase little space in your fridge. If you like the hack, please do let me know. always segregate racks of my fridge according to categories. Kept all the extra veggies in boxes in the down apart from the default vegetable box that comes under with fridge, and other knickknacks in the middle rack, and last but not the least in the first rack I keep all the cooked foods. We Bengalis often segregate eto khabar in a different section of the fridge, and maybe most of us carry these rules by seeing our mother and grandmother doing. How many of you can relate me? Do let me know. As the fridge organization has done, I had to prepare dinner for two of us. It's simple yet delicious. Gorom gorom bhat ar pathar mangsher jhol. Steamed rice with mutton curry. I started chopping onions, tomatoes and green chilies along with fresh ginger and garlic and make rough paste out of tomato, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Cut the potatoes in two pieces. I cooked it directly in the pressure cooker. In the cooker, I fried the potatoes with some salt and turmeric, fried it well, added few whole garam masalas, and in this I put all the tomato, ginger, garlic and chili paste together. Also added turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala powder and salt and mixed it well. I don't know why, but I wanted to try. In a different small pan, I fried all the onion slices together like barista. Then added with the other masalas in pressure cooker. When these masalas were half cooked, I have added mutton and cooked them well. Also added the fried barista in between and stirred them nicely. After cooking for 20 minutes, the oil separated and then I have added 2 cups of warm water into it. Closed the pressure cooker lid and after waited for 7 to 8 whistles, I have turned off the gas stove. After some time, when it opened, served it hot in the bowl with hot rice and fresh salads and satisfied ourselves. It was simple yet delicious. All the tiredness went away with this mouth-watering meal. Thank you for being with me throughout the video. I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you really like it. It is really motivating me in this journey. With lots of your love and support, I am signing off and see you soon. Take care and bye-bye.